I believe that in few years, educational robots will be an inseparable part of learning in most homes and schools in Bangladesh. What kids will learn from their math or science books, they will be applying it on the educational kits. Kids need to learn future skills like robotics and coding to create something great for a better future. Educational robots are a big part of Adama Robotics. We will provide STEM education combined with technology to every nook and corner of the world. Becoming friends with these types of robots is a matter of hours, but the joy of discovery lasts for years. In Adama Robotics, we're building amazing educational robots and kits for children. In fact, we are building the future.